Let's do video number 7. Please read the note names. So let's first read the note names of the first line. C, because on the ledger line, then G, because it's written on the second line, so G, G, then again ledger line C, C, then we have G on the second line, and again C, G, C, right? Now let's clap the rhythm along with the counting aloud. So we will count as the time signature tells us in the beginning of the line that we will have 4 crochet beats in a bar. So this note lasts for 2 beats. This note, the crochet note, lasts for 1 beat. So let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So then let's play this exercise on the piano. So we have 3, 4, C for 2, 3, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I hope you understand that this note is a medium and it lasts for 2 beats. This is the semibreve, which lasts for 4 beats, and crochet notes, which last for 1 beat. And we have 4 beats in the bar, so there will be first beat, second beat will be here, here will be third beat, fourth beat, then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Here will be one note, just the same as here. Then we will have 1, 2, again the medium note, 3, 4, again the medium note, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, the semibreve note, which will last for 4 beats. Alright, and then practice this exercise along with the metronome and counting aloud. So, I advise you to use the tempo 90 beats per minute. So let's do that. So look, we have 90 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think that's clear. Now let's go to the second exercise, second line. So what do we have here? G, C, G, G, C, G, C, G. Again, reminding you that G is written on the second line where the treble clef or clef G starts, so that's G. Here on the ledger line is the note C or the middle C. Then let's count. Let's clap and count. We still have 4 crochet beats in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and now let's play that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think that you are able to do this exercise with the metronome by yourself. Alright, let's go further to the third one. G, and this is the crochet rest, which lasts for 1 beat. So 1, 2, 3. On the third beat we will have the silence, right? And then G, G, again silence, silence, 2 crochet rests. Then C, G, silent, C, G, G, silence, and C. Yeah, now let's count and clap the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, now let's try to play this. I will be counting aloud and playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This exercise might be a bit tricky, but if you need, you always can play slower, so take your time. and think as long as you need to play this piece correctly. Try avoid making any mistakes playing these pieces. All right, let's go further. We have 2 exercises in the bass clef. So we have the middle C, which is above the stave, but it still is written on its ledger line. So C, then rest, then C, then F, the dotted medium, which will last for 3 beats. So 1, 2, 3. Right. Then we have on the 4th beat, we have note C, then 1, 2, F, C, rest on the 4th beat, 1, 2, 3, and then rest on the 4th beat again. Now I will try to clap this rhythm. So 1, 2, rest, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest, 1, 2, 3, rest. Okay, now let's go and try to play this piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So don't forget that the dot makes the note half longer. So if the dot that stands just on the right of the note, if it stands on the right of the medium note, then it will be 3 beats, because medium has 2 beats. Half of a medium is 1 beat. So 2 plus 1 is 3 beats. So the dotted medium lasts for 3 beats. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Last one. Let's read the notes. C, the middle C again, in the bass clef, in the clef F, so on the ledger line that is above the stave. Then we have F, which is written on the 2nd line, just where the bass clef or clef F starts. So we have F, then the crotchet note, then again F, so F, F, then C, F, C, and C. Don't forget that rest is the silence, so please make the silence when you see this sign. And this is the crotchet rest sign, so which lasts for 1 crotchet beat. Let's go further. Let's clap the rhythm of the last exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's try to play that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, well done. I hope this helped, and good luck with learning how to read and how to find the notes on